See, I'm not an AI. I'm walking towards the camera. I'm not an AI, but we are talking about AI right now. And in this video, I want to show you how you can structure your own organized brain if you're building out an AI agent orchestrator with a variety of sub-agents that it spawns and does a lot of work for you, like Trillian has been doing for me. So on that note, let's just ask Trillian really quick. Hey Trillian, tell us about how your brain is structured.
Happy Friday, everyone. Kevin's brain dump lives in 4 folders. Business context, so I know what actually makes money. Communication patterns, so I don't sound like ChatGPT in your emails. Coding standards, so Flux doesn't rewrite your entire code base in TypeScript. And project files, so I remember which repo does what. Think of it as Kevin's external brain, but organized and with better search.
And that's what I want to show you how you can create today with a little bit of structure and how I've structured my markdown files so that it is incredibly optimized for token usage and also for Trillian's recall. So let's go ahead and quickly look at Cursor, and I'm going to show you the actual code here. So it all starts with a master index file, _index.md. And this is the most important part. Essentially what I'm doing is I am introducing all of my subdirectories, which have other context and markdown files with a little description next to each. This way, as Trillian rocks down this markdown file, she knows exactly where to look based on the question that I'm asking. And so, for example, I got the business, communication, coding, projects, research. And then of course, I'm referencing all of my other markdown files that are at the top level. Now, the hierarchy here matters. You want what's most important almost lower on the page because it's going to get what's read last. And that actually does have importance in terms of what the response is going to come back with. Now, within each of these structures, and we're just going to look at business really quick, you're going to see, let's just open business up and then we'll look at super schema. That's one of my projects. And in here, I also have another index file. So it's going to go into that folder, look for the index file again. And here is where then I'm referencing other more complex markdown files. So essentially you want to structure it in this way. So you have your master index, it's going to go into a directory, it's going to look for another index, and then it's going to read all your little synopses, and then it can point to a more robust markdown file with information. There's not a prompt for this one because it's mostly just how you set up your own file and organization. So I hope this helps. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I love all the comments, so keep them coming and tell me what you're building. I'll catch you in the next one.